All right, good evening. I'd like to talk about the Microsoft Excel formatting text. We're going to talk about this identifying the ribbon, the formula bar, active cells, name box, column letter, row number, and quick access toolbar. We're also going to format cells. We're going to change the text to bold, underline, size, change the size, merge, and center. We're going to wrap text and number, and you're going to find out what this means soon. So if you don't understand it, don't worry. Then we're going to adjust row and column size. All right. All right. Here is a daily schedule made with Microsoft Excel. Each row has different days of the week. Other rows show details of a person's schedule 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. And I have a question for you. How are the rows in one different from the rows in the other? I'm going to bring it back up, pause the video, and answer that question. Oops. So once again, how are the rows in words in one row different from the words in the other row? And after you answer that question, start the video again. If you notice, the rows across are the days of the week, and the rows down are the hours. Today, we are going to learn to identify the ribbon tools and format text to make important words stand out, among other things. In Microsoft Excel, text means words in writing or print. The words you type are text. Here's some text. Okay, I just wrote some text. It doesn't make any sense, but this is text. Okay, let me delete this text. In Excel, you can format or change the text. You can make the words bigger, same as here. Oops, that's not bigger. You can make them bigger, darker, or underline them. I can even do this. All right, this can be useful to make important text like titles stand out. Okay, all of the buttons that change the text are in a place called the ribbon. The ribbon has buttons to format or change text. And here is the ribbon up here. This is the ribbon. Here's more ribbon. Why is it not showing everything? Let me go. Yeah, here's the ribbon. You can do all kinds of things with the ribbon. Okay, in this Excel spreadsheet, I will highlight. First of all, I got to do this for you. Let's see. Let's do that. I can highlight all of the. I run the cursor over here. I can highlight all of the words in this row. Okay. Okay, I've highlighted them. Now I'm going to change the text. I'm going to make it bigger. So I make it bigger by clicking here on this triangle. I have a drop down menu, and then I make it bigger, 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 bigger. Let's see. What do they suggest? Let me change. They say 16. So I make it to 16. This is 16 point. So now it's bigger. So I did that I went down here. It was originally 11. Clicked here and I go down and I have it at 16. You might want to try this on your computer. Okay. And so I've made the text bigger. So I have a question for you. Let me bring that up. What do you have to do to change the font size? So pause this video, answer the question, and start it up again. Now you might notice that the text, the word Saturday doesn't fit in here. The column is too narrow. So what I do is I highlight it like this with this cross thing with two triangles or two arrows, and I drag it. Now it fits. Look at this Thursday. It just says thu. So I just go like this. Oh, still not wide enough. I put this between the letters C and D or E and F, between the letters, and then I drag it. Okay, let me do that for Monday too. Look at Monday. That's way too small. Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh, now it's too wide. So let me go like that. Okay. All right, that's how you change the width of the columns.